JDCap26 here, just a Tips and Tricks and Hobbies. And we've got the 2240 right here, and it's modded out with Airgunmods. Okay, we have a Breech here, which is the new Breech for Airgunmods. It holds a red dot sight, and we also have a adapter. This is an adapter, the old style, and a moderator goes on there from TKO, which is an affiliate site. And just put that on there like that. Show you that. To put this Breech on, you take this part off, the air cap right here, this right here, the collar, and you just have like 2 screws here, top and bottom, and one in the middle. But that's what I want to show you today. I hope you enjoy my videos. Nice little lightweight package. It also could take a scope, so I want to show you that. I'll have the links of the products and the parts below for you. So that's what I have for you today, and thanks for watching.